Hello. May I help you?
Bill, who is the President of the United States?
I heard you say, who is the President of the United States? As of my last update in October 2023, the President of the United States is Joe Biden. He was inaugurated as the 46th President on January 20, 2021. However, please verify this information with a current source as political offices can change. May I help you with something else?
Bill, please explain in detail the benefits of Bitcoin. Bill, please explain in detail the benefits of Bitcoin.
I heard you say, please explain in detail the benefits of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, offers several potential benefits that have attracted a wide range of users, from individual investors to large institutions. Here are the detailed benefits of Bitcoin. 1. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain. This means there is no central authority, such as a bank or government. May I help you with something else?
Bill, stop.
Thank you for visiting. It was great talking to you. Please return when you have more questions.